Hey guys, this is Blaine, and I'm going to be doing my presentation of Self Project. So, if I were to define my personality, and I think if anyone else were to as well, they would probably say I'm kind of like a neat freak, very organized, love schedules, thrive on schedules. I make my bed every morning before I even turn on my lights, because it just gives me peace of mind. All my notes for school and my closet actually are rainbow ordered. I'm kind of like not diagnosed, but OCD-ish. I really just thrive on schedules. It makes me feel better. And another fun fact about me is I cannot sleep in an unmade bed, or if the room is messy, I get like claustrophobic even in the dark. It's kind of funny. But my personality and work mesh pretty well. I'm a nanny. I've been a nanny for about 2 years, and I work for two families. It's great. I love it. Kids really thrive on schedules typically, and parents love when you can keep their kid on a schedule, so that's nice. Um, as far as my long-term career, I'm doing nursing here at COS, and I'm very excited about that. To get through nursing school, you definitely have to be organized, from what I've heard. So that will serve me well. It also, my organization and the way I push myself really put me ahead in high school too. I started taking college classes when I was in high school to get ahead for nursing. School and my personality. This is a different story. Some might say it's good, some might say it's bad. I really don't know how to feel about it. Some days are good, some days are bad. Because of this organized, whatever personality I have, I tend to push myself to be the very best that I can be without regard for like other aspects of my life. I will work endlessly on school until my brain is throbbing because I get really awful migraines, probably from this because school is definitely my biggest stress, and I 100% get stress migraines. I am a big believer in the whole work hard, play hard thing. I definitely don't push myself too hard when it comes to like relaxation days or whatever, and I definitely take time off for myself, but probably not as much as I should. This will put me ahead for sure, especially because nursing schools are super impacted. And another example of like how I push myself is it's an extra 10 points for nursing school if you have worked in the medical field for, I think it's 2 years. And so I'm going to be doing phlebotomy because I'm interested in it and I know it'll put me ahead. So, relationships. Now, this is funny. I don't find that this aspect of my personality affects my friendships that much. If anything, my friends just, laugh at it, or some of them like it. So, that I'm so organized. I'm kind of like the mom of the group, whatever. As far as like a serious significant other relationships, I feel like it will affect that, just because living with a boy sounds not so fun. So this picture, actually I chose it because I thought it was a good visual representation of me smiling and waving my husband goodbye so I get to clean the house. Oh, but yeah, I like to be in charge of everything interior. I love laundry. Like, laundry day is my favorite day. I do my whole family's laundry. Um, but I feel like my husband will either love or hate this about me because it might drive him nuts, but he also might like it. And how my personality relates to chapters 4 and 5. Obviously, our experiences build our personality and affect our personality in more ways than we even know. And this has to do with like selection, motives, and organization. And things that might have influenced some may say obsessive personality is my mom had this friend when we were growing up, and every morning before school, she would make sure my bed was made and made me organize all my stuffed animals, like, on my bed. And I forget the order, but it was in some crazy order. And another example is my dad. Like I said earlier, I do my whole family's laundry. My dad is so picky about how his laundry is done. So it's really raised me to be this, like, very organized person. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit more about me.